Today I'm pretending to be a dog in Minecraft. But what my friend does not know is not actually a dog. Just a player. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is pick my friend into pink and then I'm my dog. That corner over there, yeah, you can see that I'm a dog. I found this really cool mod that I can turn into a dog. So I hope it hits food by flying down. I'm just gonna fly up here and like this. Oh, that's nice swimming in the lane. It's a nice day swimming in the rain. Steve. What? Why are you swimming in the rain? That seems like a weird thing. Why are you swimming in the rain? Yep. This dog's right next to me. What's this dog? The dog is now here. What? It has peed on me. Ew. Why did it pee on me? And also, don't forget to mention I have a water bucket. Okay. For some reason, why is he swimming? For some reason, I don't even know what's happening. I don't know why he's swimming. But, yeah, I don't even know. So, I'm going to communicate things through the sign. Communicate sign. I'm just going to say, what can I say? It is the dog. In all caps. It said, it is the dog. Yeah, it is the dog. It's the dog. It's the dog, basically. Okay. So I'm not gonna type me the dog. Okay, I think this could work. Yeah, I think this could work a little bit better. Okay. So there's a sign over here. Did he read it? What? Okay, that's enough of him. Now we can just look, if I'm not gonna know my dog because he saw me flying. He literally did not say that because I muted it. Okay. So I'm just gonna walk around and stuff. Go down. Okay, I'm just gonna eat some of this cactus. Hopefully he sees me eat the cactus. Oop, I accidentally ate the ground. What? He ate the ground too in the cactus? Uh-oh, I might have my call available, but it's okay. Oh, he's peeing on me again. Oh, I'm swimming in the rain. He's peeing on me. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, it's raining. Moment. And why does he like swimming in the rain? I'm gonna play some TNT here. And okay, it's gonna explode. Oh! That was bad for my leg. This dog's moaning me. Leave me, look, so don't you hide. No, ow, my bitch. It's water now. The dog saved me. Thank you, dog. I'm not gonna pee. Well, maybe he just peed on me because he just peed over there. Yeah, maybe just peed on me. Okay, just gonna walk over here. Wait. I'm gonna wait until he comes back, okay? I just a little glitch, I think, because I was gonna wait when he comes back. I'm just gonna run as a normal dog. I'm just gonna walk around like a normal dog. I'm just gonna stop 1 minute. Okay, I'm just gonna over here. What? What's not even okay? He's swimming so weird. What blow out the spider? What's happening? I gotta go follow him. I'm gonna go follow him. See what he's gonna do. What the dog's behind me? I just looked at my camera and he's behind me. This position not gonna probably get on the swimming. Okay, now it makes sense for him to swim. Okay, I don't know why he's moving on land. It needs breaking some wood. Okay, do you be one again? Oh, he just peed on me. He just tossed me into the water. He peed on me. He just peed on me. Why did you just trying to pee on me? I'm gonna put some TNT in the water. Put some TNT! Ah! Okay, I don't even know what that was. I just tried to make quick man. Does God hate me or something? What the? Earth. I'll come back here. No, this dog's dangerous. Oof, this dog's biting me. I'm gonna hate dogs forever. Get away from me. Okay, so I'm swimming around here. I just gonna swim around here. Nothing is so it's gonna kind of stay here. Okay. Boo. Oof. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. What's up with the? I almost fell back in. What the? This jumping mistake. I don't know how we're swimming. What is happening? What is happening? This is so funny. You should subscribe. Yeah. Oh, I'm just standing here not swimming and it's falling on the ground. Oh. Is everything just real fit into him? I'm in a house. Close. No, don't lock me out. Get out. This is my house. No, this is my house. I need to stay somewhere. Okay, if I don't get my own house. Okay, I'm gonna stay here. Gotta go walk in here. Get away from me. Ooh. I did a poop foot. And now I'm gonna try to poop on his house that he's in. And try to poop and pee on it. Poop and pee like a poop and pee mess. Like a completely poop and pee mess. Poop and pee mess. Yeah. Poop and pee mess. I'm gonna stop putting poop everywhere. I'm gonna break this door and put some poop everywhere. I'm gonna come in and put some poop inside and kill it. Yeah. I'm just gonna put TNT. What I'm going to say is just kim it a little bit. I say kills. Yeah, like a fancy word. I'm gonna like a new decoration for his house. He's pooping everywhere. I can feel poop on my roof. Yeah. I'm gonna poop. What the heck? What the? No! There's so much water here. Hey, yo! So much water. Why? Okay, he said why. Where should I put this water? There's a permanent pee mess. I hope I don't get mad because this board is destroyed. The poop is my poop. This my poop's a lot. It's time to admit. Maybe that's There you go. So, hello. The dog joined my server. The dog was playing with me. He put the pee on my favorite house. Oh, the dog just hit me. The dog that you might be playing with may or may not have been me the entire time. May or may not have been me the entire time. Pretending to be a dog. I snuck the morph mod into this game. I snuck the morph mod in here somehow. What? Oh! It was this little button on the screen. This M button on the screen. Okay. Sorry for joining the village house, but I gotta get out here. Your blocks do the here. Why? Okay, yeah. I'm gonna go look for some other people to pink. See you next time when I make the next video. Okay, next to find some other